Hi, this is Krishna Teja and you're with PacketPrep. So let's get into the verbal section and we're going to learn about the fill in the blanks. In order to solve the verbal section of TCS NQT or in fact any other exam, your basic grammar has to be clear as well as you should have a little bit grip on the vocabulary, the words and their meanings. So make it a habit to read the newspapers regularly and watch English movies, which can to some extent build your vocabulary. Now, let me give you some quick tips to solve the sentence completion or the fill in the blanks. The first quick tip is don't look at the options straight away. What you need to do is read the sentence thoroughly and try to figure out a word which can actually fit into the blank. The reason to do this is you can understand the tone, the context and the tonality of the sentence. After you do that, then go to the options, just give a quick glance and see if you can figure out the word which actually matches the meaning what you thought about. The second tip is go for elimination. When you go through the options, see if you can eliminate a couple of options. Then you might land up with one or two words which might fit in the blank. Now you need to be very careful in figuring out the right answer. So the best way is just read the sentence, put this blank and check out whether it really fits or not. The next tip is keep a close look on the grammar. Sometimes the sentence can start with a article like an, then the blank will definitely be a vowel or maybe that sounds like a vowel. The next quick tip is look at the indicators. Sometimes you'll see these transitional words like but, although, nevertheless. These are all contrast indicators wherein the first fragment of the sentence and the second fragment of the sentence might be in the opposite way. Or you might see supporting indicators like moreover, likewise. So these things can get you the context of the sentence which might help you figuring out the answer. And lastly, make sure your vocabulary is good. So you need to learn the meanings. So one way to go about it is pick up the word list. Probably you can look at the root words and figure out certain meanings which are important for the exam. Memorize them and try to use them. So what I'll do is I'll just give you a download link of frequently used words. Just pick up those words so that you can at least use them. In the next lecture, I'll solve few questions, try to solve them and go for the practice questions and the test. All the best.